Today, we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers! Alright, let's get to the video. Actually, I like the music. I can't go on with music. I just like the music. Like, I haven't played it in a while, so. Why does those trains look like the Minions? Oh, did not meant to hit my head. I was trying to get that L. I don't know how I really got that music, but okay. Daily quest completed. What was that on the other side? Oh yeah, this is cool. Unlocking. Yay. I got the lava. Well, not lava, but I got the L in lava. How? I am broke as a joke. Okay. Anyway. Oh, I did not meant to click that. There's like, it hasn't been like 5 minutes yet. Hey, Little McDonald's is good. They didn't do anything. Well, you guys want to be friends with me? I don't know how, but y'all guys teach me. Send me a video or something, I don't know. Or just make a video for me, I don't know. If you are a YouTuber, yeah. I'm genuinely cooked. I don't even have background music for my editing. This is already my background music. What did I hit? I have 15 more surfboards. Okay, good. I got this for luck. Luck purposes, guys. Oh, it was a bug. That was the thing. Was just give me the money. Good boy. Oh, so that's how I died. Nope. What? What am I supposed to do? I'll click this. Good. It didn't give me an ad. Claim. 12,000. Give me that X. I like the X. The X stands for money, guys. Oh my god, it's laggy. Because so much obstacle. So, how did I not fall down? I tripped. So you tell me I tripped on that little ledge, and I can't trip on that big thing? What's the point? Bro, I do not suck. Okay, I do not suck. It's just, the odds are crazy. Claim reward. Please not give me an ad. Please not give me an ad. Please not give me an ad. Please not. Got it. Yay! Oh! I like that. X. Why is it so? What is it illegal to spray paint on trains? Like, I'm so confused. How's a cop not skinny? Because he's been chasing me forever. Well, supposed to be. I'm just. These tight corners are not my thing. I'm claustrophobic. I like these tight corners. Boop. Good boy. Oh yeah, you thought you was lucky right there. You thought you was lucky. Hey. Yeah. See, I told you I'll get used to the music. I'm walking in. Looks like the longest in don't have my surfboard. You know, coins. It's half magnet, half whatever. Another boot. And it just made me land right to my final destination, guys. Okay. I did not like to click that. Little McDonald's. Good God. I'm just gonna be those AI thing. Get rewards. I keep seeing that. Claim. Thanks for 500 coins. I need that. My neck is hurting right now. Like at this point in the video, my neck it's in pain. And I still have the Switch 1, guys. No, please do not roast me. I have Switch 1. I'm not that rich. I don't have $400, and then I had to pay. And then you pay me an extra $100 for some Joy-Cons. Well, yeah, there's plenty of people that have Switch 2 nowadays, but no, I wanted the key. I couldn't move. It just never wants me to get the key. Give me the key. It was right there. I meant to click missions. Oh, my Switch just got to 1 bar, finally. It just got to 1 bar, guys. Don't worry. That's very normal coming from a kid that's playing a Subway Surfers game and play with... What? I just ducked. Bro, next time I'm going to show my touchpad for proof. For proof. I'm really swiping down. Just keep moving. I'm not even going close to the music. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing this. It's starting to get annoying for y'all guys. Okay, I need my surfboard. I'm starting to get claustrophobic again. I have trust issues. Switch using magnet is going to load in my battery level on my Switch. Parkour. Yeah, guys, I'm a parkour master. I'm a parkour master. Nope. Oh, you thought you was slick. I just broke those train's ankles. Wait, they don't even have ankles. What am I talking about? Just keep... Yep, I am cooked. I'm genuinely cooked. Give me this. Yeah, I know it's not that... It's not like skinny. Holy moly, there was a lot of trains. Yeah, people are just going crazy today on Subway Surfers. This is a normal day Subway Surfers. Just trains going crazy and trying to just run over this kid, bro. Yeah, this is very normal. My avatar! My avatar! My avatar! What? Why was she doing that? She's looking in space, and then she started doing torpedoes forever. Like, oh yeah, those trains thought they were slick. I'm not even close passing my high score. I'm at 13,000. See, I told you! Those surfboards will come in handy! Well, I didn't tell you guys that, but I'm claustrophobic, so... I'm getting a little too fast for just 13,000, guys. We're locking. Give me all them coins. I'm too fast! My touchpad's out of control. Holy moly. Look how much coins I got from that. That's close to my bonus. Nope. Nope, I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Get out. What is it 2 times star 4 anyways? I can't move. I'm watching the ad. I don't care. I need to keep going. I'm going to try to pass myself. What is it? Draw a Doge. Can reteach it? Look. I was like, it looked like a Snorlax for a moment. I'm glad this is it. I think it's more weird. more bark. Click next. That's what happens when you click the X, guys. Never trust X's! Just click the back button. X. Freedom. Freedom. Yes! Ooh, it takes me to the wall again. I'm gonna. Oh my god. It gave me a boost. I can't. Holy moly. Holy moly. What is this boost? Just keep moving. Just keep moving. They gave me a support. Holy moly. I feel like I have 100,000 right now. I can't move. What the heck? I can't see anything. I couldn't see anything! Okay, now I'm quitting. I'm quitting that. Thank you. Claim reward. Will it gives me that AI doge like for 3 seconds, I swear to God. Ooh! I want to keep making that sound. Holy moly. Just give me that reward. No, I think I'm fine. I don't feel greedy today. I don't feel greedy today. Can I just play the game? Thank you. Thank you. What the heck was that? No, no, please, no. I swear to God. Good God. If I see that dog, no, that's a dog. If I see that Doja one more time, I swear to God. I didn't even touch anything. It was been half of a millisecond. I already died right there. Somehow. No. It's laggy again. It's gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me! Okay, now I'm quitting. This video's over. Screw this. Subscribe. I can't. Let me move! Let me end the video!